Yeah, which other option you will use? Yeah, other. In other, we will type here which symbol?
The dash.
Dash symbol. Dash symbol should be your dash. Minus button is there no, in the key. Yeah. Next and finish. Finish only. Here. Okay. Now see. Sony, Jay, Poonam. Yeah, separated. So basically, if means left and right formula, na, it is practical, but you have only same range values. But if you have a different length, so you can use text to column feature to break the values. But suppose if someone has sent you this raw data, they have given you first name in a different cell. They have given you their middle name in a different cell and last name in a different cell. What I want to combine it. I want to create full name by joining all the names. So again, I will use one function here of concurrent. Just use this function. Anyone? Equal concurrent. Equal concurrent. Yeah, tab button. Once you press tab button, yeah, it is asking for text 1. So what will be your text 1?
Sony.
Yeah. So click on Sony. After that, comma. Now you will select your second name. Comma. Enter. Now you will drag it. Now you tell me, is it any mistake in this?
It does not include space between
Doesn't
each.
include space. Now means we have to include space. So this you have to understand. Other than any numerical data, means these are my numbers. This is correct. But if you are typing anything which is A to Z, between A to Z, or you are giving any kind of symbol, you are providing any kind of greater than symbol, equal to, minus, these all are called characters, and inside the formula they have to put in inverted commas. In inverted commas we will provide all the things. Okay, so just we will try this again. Use function again, equal concurrent. Hello, tab button, text 1 Sony, comma, and because after Sony I want to put space na, so in inverted commas you will start, inverted commas start. Yeah, space button, you have to press the space button, inverted comma close, comma, it means Sony, after Sony we want space, inverted comma close also, comma. After that second one, which is Yogesh, comma. After Yogesh also I want a space, so in inverted commas we will type space again, comma.
So comma and then
Yeah, comma. First of all you will take comma and inverted comma space. Inverted comma close. Comma, and after that your last name. Yeah, enter. Now tell me, correct?
yes.
Now try. Now Neeta, you have to create this format. Suppose Sony minus Yogesh slash Sharma. By this concurrent function, we have to create this format. Try this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, equal concurrent you will try. Hmm. No, the spelling is CONCAT equals CONCAT. Yeah. Text one you will select firstly, which is Sony. Comma. After that, I want to give dash symbol also. So because it is a symbol, we have to put in inverted commas. Inverted comma start minus inverted comma close. Means after Sony we want this dash symbol. Inverted comma close also, comma. After that my second name, comma. After putting comma, Yogesh you will select second name, comma. After that Yogesh I want to include one slash symbol also, which you will put in inverted commas again.
This symbol also slash.
Inverted commas close again. Yeah. And comma your third name. Enter and drag. No, we'll drag from this side. We'll drag from this side. Now I will press Ctrl D, so automatically we'll drag. But now this option becomes a little bit confusing because where we want to put this inverted commas or where we want to put it freely. This we have to understand again and again. So instead of using this concurrent, what we will use? We will use one option of flash fill. This is not any kind of click. This is used with a single shortcut key, which is Control E. This is the shortcut key Control E. For this, we have to just provide first entry. Anyone you just type here Sony space Yogesh space Sharma. Means first entry we have to type. Enter. Now what I will do, I will make selection from Sony to the last cell, and now you will press Control E. Yeah. Which one is more quick? This one? Flash fill? Because it is asking for the first entry only. Now, Nituji, anyone, you just type this entry here.
This one.
This value. Enter. And now I will make selection from this entry to the last cell and press Control E. And just give me a minute. Yeah. Now press Control E. Hello. Control E, which means flash fill. Are you getting the difference between concurrent and flash fill?
Yes.
Okay, so basically if concurrent is there, we have to individually select all the items and we have to put inverted commas also. But if you are using flash fill, you just put first entry and after that you can press Control E. So this is one way. At the same time, in the length form, when we have given you the left and right formula, na, again and again we have to count how many characters are in Sony, how many in Sharma and Hari Kishin. But now I want a function that will count how many characters in a single cell. So we'll use this function of len. We will use this function. Just try this, equal len. Equal len. Tab button, so automatically your bracket will open. And after that text, you will select Sony. You will select Sony. Enter. So it will give you that in Sony we have 4 characters, and when I drag in the downward direction, it will say that in J it is 3 and in Poonam it is 6. At the same time, if you drag in rightward direction, 6 is there in Yogesh, Sharma is 6. At the same in downward direction also. Clear this point?
Yes.
Okay. Now suppose if I want to compare something, this we have taken out with the option of concurrent, right? Sorry, this we have taken out with the option of flash fill. Now I'm putting one formula in which I will provide the same thing but with the option of concurrent. One is with the flash fill and second with the concurrent function. So what I want to compare both the values, whether both the values is same or not. This is what I want to check out. Suppose some data is given by the option of your source sheet and some is your present sheet. So I want to compare the values. So for making comparison, what I will do, for comparison, we will use one function of exact. This is one function, exact. Let's use this function, equal exact. Exact is basically to compare the things. Yeah, text 1. After that, text 2. Enter. Now you tell me, is it is it not matching the value, both the values?
Yeah, I think because one is capitalized and so.
Yeah, because one is in a capital letters and second was in the lowercase. So that's why it is giving you this kind of data. Suppose if I change the value, I'm creating this in lowercase only. Sharma and Control E. Now it is true.
Yes.
Yeah, but as we take now only spoken part. In numerical also, sorry, in capital mode also it is Sony Yogesh Sharma. And if we take out lowercase, then also it is the same thing, na? So why this function exact giving you false? Basically, this exact function will automatically check all the values, whether the data in the same length, whether it is in numerical data, alpha data, or it is in uppercase, lowercase. But if you just want to look out only the spoken part, as we spoke, both the Sony Yogesh Sharma is there. So what we will do? We will use equal function. Equal, this part, is it equal to this one also? Means we have compared both the things and enter. Giving correct answer?
Yes.
So basically exact compare all the things, whether it means it will just take out the duplicate value. If I copy this material, automatically it will give you true. So it show the duplicate values, and from equal part you can find out only the length or anything, but only spoken part they will check out. This equal function.